So welcome back, everybody. So who doesn't like an old-fashioned unboxing? Or in this case, an unenveloping. So I came across this really cool website. It's called garagegrowngear.com. They're based out of St. Paul, Minneapolis. This company represents, they say on their website, 120 plus small startup and cottage outdoor brands, mainly in the ultralight backpacking gear arena. Their website's got a really good rabbit hole to go down, so if you go there, just plan on spending an hour bopping around and seeing this and that. And what's really cool is that their prices are really competitive, even with Amazon and other REI, and they have free shipping on $20 or more. So what can go wrong, right? Well, you just spend more and more money, I guess. So let's see what's in this smaller envelope first. This bigger one says do not use blades to open, so that's why I've got the scissors today. So let's go check this out. So this smaller envelope is the one that I got second. Alright. Oh, here we go, Ziploc. Oh yeah, I remember this. I bought a bunch of single serving extra virgin olive oil packets. And I think these were like dirt cheap. I think these, yeah, cool. They 3/8 fluid ounces, 11 milliliters. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, good to go, chicken pho. I got a Trailtopia Szechuan chicken with rice. This is a 2-serving pouch of that. Let's see. Cheers, Mark. Enjoy. Lloyd. Okay. And I got a little pouch. I think I might use this as kind of a tiny toiletries bag or something. Yeah, I like the color. It's cool. Okay. All right, that's all that was in that little business card. Ah, and I got a little tiny toothbrush. That's cool. All right. Let's see what's in this. Put all the loot here. Get this open. Might have to start this doing that. Excuse me while I do this. Oh, here we go. Let's see, this has some goodies in it. What is this? Oh, Trailtopia freeze-dried diced beef. Another one. Let's see. Hey, Mark, enjoy the new goodies. Cheers. Beatrice. Okay. Here's Nomad Nutrition Kathmandu Curry. Here is a lentil stew by a company called Evergreen Adventure Foods. It's like they are from Peachtree City, Georgia. Huh. April 2022. Nomad Nutrition. They are out of, it's like Burnaby, BC, Canada. And everybody knows Trailtopia. Oh yeah, so I remember I got this, I wanted to get this little sit pad. There we go. This thing weighs, I think it will float away. There's, got a sticker. I'm not really a big sticker person. The experts on outdoor gear startups, garage grown gear. So, yeah, and I like this little, this is on their website by a company called Weibo. It's just a small little fanny pack. I think I'll use this when I'm flying around. You know, keep my global entry card and my passport and whatnot. And I might even use it as a, probably extend this a little bit and use it not as a fanny pack, but actually use it as a kind of a sling pack and have this across my chest. So, but okay, well, that's all the loot. And next video, I'll be eating something, I promise. See ya. Bye-bye.